Today we are going to discuss chapter 5, exercise 5.1, sixth question. The question is, in the given figure, ABC is a triangle. Write all the possible ratios by taking measures of sides pairwise. Okay na students? So this is the triangle ABC. We are given the measure of side AB is 8 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter and CA is 10 centimeter. Now see the possible ratios. Its solution. The possible ratios are, first of all I am taking two sides AB, BC. Okay, you can write like this, AB is to BC. Okay na, AB means what na? That is 8 centimeter. Okay, otherwise you take like this, first of all AB by BC. AB means what na? That is 8 centimeter by BC means what na? That is 6 centimeter. Then centimeter cancel. Then we can write AB is to BC is equals to, that is 8 is to 6. Now what is the HCF of these two numbers? ఈ two numbers కి HCF వచ్చేసి 2 ఉంటుంది. సో 2 తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 2 3 జా 6, 2 4 జా 8. Then we can write AB is to BC is equals to, that is 4 is to 3. Okay na students? Same we can write, దీన్ని మళ్ళీ ఎలా రాయొచ్చు, రివర్స్ లో రాస్తే BC is to AB is equals to, దీన్ని రివర్స్ లో రాస్తే 4 is to 3 ఏమవుతుందిరా, that is 3 is to 4. Okay na students? Consider these two sides. Now I am considering these two sides, that is BC, CA. BC by CA is equals to, BC means what then? The side BC means what? That is 6 centimeter by CA means what then? That is 10 centimeter. Centimeter cancel because of a ratio has no units. But comparing two quantities with the same kind of units. Okay, same kind of units untane compare cheyali, but a ratio has no units. Now BC by CA, we can write it as BC is to CA is equals to 6 is to 10. Now what is the HCF of these two numbers? ఈ two numbers ki HCF ఏంటి అంటే ఇలా, you can take like this, 6 1s are 6, 10 minus 6 means what nana? That is
4.
6 1s are 6. Okay, 10 minus 6 means 4 వస్తుంది. Next ఈ divisor act as a dividend. Next 4 1s are 4, then minus means 2 వస్తుంది. Again the divisor 4 act as a dividend. 2 2s are 4. Then what is the last divisor? Last divisor is 2. That's why we divide 6 and 10 with 2. Cancel cheyandi. 2 3s are 2 5s are. So we can write BC is to CA is equals to, that is 3 is to 5. Similarly దీన్ని మళ్ళీ ఎలా రాయొచ్చు, if you take CA is to BC is equals to, దీన్ని రివర్స్ లో రాస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, that is 3 is to 5 కాస్త 5 is to 3 వస్తుంది. Okay na students? Now CA by AB. CA means what nana? CA means 10 centimeters by AB means what nana? That is 8 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter cancel. Then we can write it as CA is to AB is equals to 10 is to 8. Again the HCF of these two numbers is 2 only. That's why you cancel with the 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Then we can write here CA is to AB is equals to 5 is to 4. దీన్ని రివర్స్ లో రాస్తే AB is to CA is equals to, that is 4 is to 5. So these are the possible ratios. Okay na students? Okay students, now see here, if 9 out of 24 students scored below 75. Okay na? Total number of students how many nana? Total number of students vachesi 24. The given data is total number of students is equals to 24. Okay, in that 9 students are scored below 75. Okay na? 9 students scored below 75% marks in a test. Okay, then above 75 కావాలి మనకి. Below 75 వచ్చేసి 9 స్టూడెంట్స్ అయితే రిమైనింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ లో నుంచి రిమైనింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ని మనం మైనస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, దెన్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ స్కోర్డ్ then the students scored above 75% marks. Okay, above 75% marks is what nana? Then ela find out cheyochu manam total number of students lo nunchi 24 students lo nunchi who are got below 75% marks, they are 9 members. Minus cheste manaki em vastundi 24 minus 9 means that is what nana? 15 vastundi. So 15 students are get more 75% marks and 9 students get less than 70% of marks. Now see, find the ratio. Here given, find the ratio of student scored below 75% marks to students scored 75% and above. Now by problem, okay, who are get below 75% marks? There are 9 members. Next, who are get marks above 75%? There are 15 members. Okay, what is the HCF of these two numbers? HCF find out cheste em vastundana ikkada 9 ones are 9, 15 minus 9 ante that is 6. Next, this 9 act as a dividend, 6 ones are 6, then 9 minus 6 ante 3, again the 6 act as a dividend, 3 2 ja 6. Okay, what is the last divisor here? Last divisor is 3, that's why we divide with 3. 3 3s are 3 5s are. So therefore the ratio, the required ratio, therefore the required ratio is, that is what, 3:5. Okay na students? Yes. Okay students, now question number 8. What is the question? Find the ratio of number of vowels. Number of vowels in the word Mississippi. What is the word nana? That is Mississippi to the number of consonants in the simplest form. Now see its solution. What is the given word? Given word is that is Mississippi. Okay, in this word what are the vowels? Vowels ఏమన్నా ఇక్కడ? What are they? How many vowels are there? We know vowels అంటే A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels in English alphabet. Okay, how many are there? A, E, I, O, U లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? I one time, two time, third time, fourth time. Only I. How many times is there? 4 times. That's why we consider how many vowels? A single vowel 4 times ఉంది. Okay. Next, consonants. Consonants means which are not vowel. ఏదైతే vowel కాదో అవే consonants. What are they? 1, M, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay na? So total ఎన్ని consonants ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? 7 are there. M, S 2 times, again 2 times, P 2 times. Okay na? So now I am going to write what is the ratio of vowels and consonants. Their ratio. Vowels ki consonants ratio ఏంటమ్మా? That is 4:7. 4:7. Okay, but here given write their simplest form. Simplest form లో రాయమన్నాడు. Simplest form. Simplest form of the ratio. ఈ ratio ని simplest form లో ఎలా రాయాలి? First of all, these two numbers are co-prime numbers. 4 and 7. These two numbers are what nana? Co-prime numbers because of the HCF of 4, 7. 4 की 7 की HCF find out చేయండి. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 అంటే 3 వస్తుంది. Then this 4 act as a dividend. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 means 1. This 3. This is act as a dividend. 1 3s are 3. Okay, what is the last divisor? 1. Okay na students? 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 3. ఈ 4 అనేది డివిడెండ్ అవుతుంది. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 అంటే 1. ఇక్కడ ఈ 3 వచ్చేసి డివిడెండ్ అవుతుంది. 1 3s are 3. అంటే ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ డివైజర్ వచ్చేసి 1 వస్తుంది. The numbers having their highest common factor is 1 means then we call the two numbers are the co-prime numbers. ఈ 2 numbers వచ్చేసి co-prime numbers అవుతాయి. Then you divide 4:7 ఉంది కదా, 4:7, then we can write it as 4/7. You divide with 1, then what happens? See, 1 4s are, 1 7s are. Again you will get that is 4/7 only. Then we can write it as in ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? 4:7 only. The simplest form of the ratio 4:7 కి ఏంటి? మళ్ళీ 4:7 వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? థ్యాంక్ యూ.